On my other channel, there is a short that can never die. The views will never stop. I also have a long form video that has never died since. So if you're fed up with that flat line 2 days after publishing, then this secret tip might be useful. There are so many different ways of traffic you can get onto your YouTube videos, such as browse features, YouTube search, and many more. Now, to make a long form video that never dies, you have to focus on browse features, and at the start of your video being published, you need browse features. For those who don't know what browse features is, it's basically the video that you click on the homepage. Now, depending on how many times people click on your video in about 2 days, YouTube will take your click-through rate and your audience attention and decide whether your video should stay on the homepage or be in the trash for no one to ever see again. Remember, things like good thumbnails and good editing are extremely important to give YouTube a reason to recommend you more. Now, coming on to my second piece of traffic, YouTube search. I honestly find this one the hardest, but the best ways to get views. But don't worry, I'm going to make it easy for you. All you got to do is make a video that is being searched about every day. You can do this using Google Trends or vidIQ's extension, or do it the old-fashioned way and just use the YouTube search bar, because that's what YouTube recommends to every person on YouTube when they search that phrase in. So now you've done that part, you need to find a way to get to the top of the search results. And this is called competition. You are competing with others who are making the same video to make it to the top of the search results. But usually it is impossible to beat those who've already done the same video as you. So how do you make it to the top of the search results? Well, first of all, you need to let the views come in from browse features and suggested videos, because if you have a high viewed video, then it should be at the top of the search results, because YouTube trusts that your video is good enough to be at the top. And secondly, you need people to actually click on your video. You can do this by having a good thumbnail and title to drive more people to your video and not somebody else's. I did this for one of my videos on my other channel called DJ Cook Hater is So Stupid, and as you can see, it still brings a fair amount of views today. And if you search DJ Cook Hater, you might just see my video. Now, coming on to shorts, because I think we all know if you're a shorts creator, your views go really fast at the start and then they just die. But how do you get your short getting a bunch of views again? Well, there are two ways you can do this. What I would do first is get my short into the algorithm and show YouTube that my short is the one they need to promote. Make your shorts look professional and entertaining, like adding some good music, editing, and sound effects. You also have to get the best audience attention ever, and you have to make sure viewers are not swiping away from your video, because YouTube won't have a reason to recommend your content. Now, I know some of your YouTube shorts are already dead and you want them to pick up some more traction, or you could try changing the title and make it more searchable, or you could re-upload the short again and use that title and see how the short does. If you're really looking for a YouTube short that never dies, you need to make your YouTube short searchable and being pushed into the shorts feed to get a graph like this.